Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we are just taking a quick look here at Polygon on our daily time frame. As we can see, looking quite bearish today, like a lot of cryptos are. Looking like they might potentially start closing down below their support line trend lines and heading to the downside. Bitcoin is also looking like it might be doing this, that macro trend line that we've been holding for Bitcoin for such a long time. Looking like we might start closing down below it pretty soon, although this could be, you know, a false shakeout designed by whales to get people out before we moon to the upside. But you can see here Polygon has been really not doing too good at all in terms of price action. We obviously had that big drop to the downside here, a little bit of a consolidation, a little bit of a sideways chop here, but really you can see we have a bounce and then a big bearish engulfing candle again, closing down below that support line, and now looking like we are consolidating underneath potential support. As you can see here, this trend line here, if we do start to break down of this big huge coiling motion for Polygon, we could be looking at least coming back down towards our 0.23 Fibonacci, down towards that 50-cent level again, looking for some support for Polygon. If we don't see the bounce in the market for Bitcoin, obviously we could be looking at a really big flush for a lot of altcoins and their price action. Right now we're waiting and seeing what's going to happen next with Polygon, but overall looking quite bearish today, and we are waiting to see if Bitcoin bounces. Obviously if we don't, then we're going to be looking at some serious downside for Polygon towards that 0.23, I think.